I got you. I got you.
Stop getting video of the baby.
Just took a picture.
Do
that a good picture?
not do that, please.
What happened?
Took a picture of my thumb.
I want to bring my phone.
It looks so much brighter on the camera. Right?
Zoom in a little bit.
I did already.
I was here the day they dropped it off, and they said that there were 2 other boats that are also ready. And I don't know if they're just gonna like reel it in.
You can really hear it crackling now.
Please give me the
Waiting for that pirate flag to fall over.
How's the skyline?
Oh, the flag's about to burn.
Dual screen
Oh, flag's burning.
There's the flag.
That was cool. Oh, now it's falling apart.
I want to go now. We already saw it.
Oh, shush.
Let's move up a little bit. Oh, not without you. Dad, come
Well,
on.
go ahead, move up if you want.
Come on, run it, Dad.
There's sand everywhere over there, but there's also grass. I think directly under it.
It looks like the bow burned through. To the front of the boat.
Yeah, I'll hold
I know. You do, you feel it, don't you? That's the boat burning in Sayville.
아,